Okay, this is part 2 in a video series with an unjustified existence. Today, we're looking at a second burn test of, well, candy rocket fuel, and it seems to work pretty well. Most information that you really need is explained in the video. Given burn time and starting and finishing masses, we can determine that the burn rate was closer to double the previous burn rate than, well, previously.
Because the rest of the video up to this point was scrapped, it's 60 grams potassium nitrate, 40 grams sugar, and 12 grams of copper oxide. Well, that's certainly more than we've gotten in the past. Wow, that is considerable thrust, I have to say. We're not seeing anything. I think we might have whacked up the scale here. But we can see it's considerably more thrust.
This is a good step forward. The next test, of course, will be hoping to affirmate these ideas using an actual nozzle on this test rocket engine, a working scale hopefully, and differing amounts of cupric oxide to try to find out what works best in the end and what will make the most cost-efficient as well as propulsive candy rocket. Oh yeah, also, just so you know, I'm currently going to be doing some restoration videos on old computers, so if you enjoyed Sega Genesis restoration and want to see stuff like that, well, it'll be coming in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. This has been Lucas Lack 124.